So it's nomadicMadman again. Hey, so I heard back from Mike. I am going to the wedding, so it's happening in about 30 or 40 minutes. So I'm heading down somewhere here in the Flamingo, in the wedding chapel. I may do some interviews and ask some questions. I'm kind of nosy. Get in their face. No, I don't know what's going to happen, but it's going to happen. So be sure to watch this.
Setting up.
Okay.
And I definitely think that's our deal around the corner where the chairs are.
Nice. So, Susie and Davio. I just met Susie. It's on.
Oh, okay. Hello.
So,
is it like live to the world?
No, I'm compiling it and going to upload it tonight.
Oh, nice.
So, Davio, if you were to ask Jack one question, what would it be?
Ask Jack a question?
Yeah. I mean, if you were actually had an opportunity to ask a question. How about you, Susie?
I would ask yeah.
One question.
One question. Is this gonna continue? Do you have something in mind for this
Something
to continue?
More. That's good.
And something more.
By the way, I love your Friday night thing.
Yeah, it's terrific.
It's Friday night, and guess what? I brought my laptop.
Oh, very good.
So
you got a good connection?
I got a great connection. So I thought maybe after,
I think that'd be great.
Go on live for a little bit, just to see for like Hooli, and
right. Good
and
point.
all those people that can't
It's a very good. That's a good idea. That's
come
really,
and COVID and all that. So I'm like, maybe.
All right, one
I'll
question
try
for Jack, Mr. Jack.
Yeah.
I want to see and I want to know all the parts and the steps that got you to the final location.
That's
Question of all questions.
That's what everybody wants.
Everybody.
Everybody.
I want that. I want the details of what equal A, B, C, D,
Right.
the continuous line of to a location. That's what I want.
Sweet.
And step into Susie's show today.
Yeah,
Right.
tonight Susie's gonna be live. Nice.
Oh, that's good.
Hey, so Davio turned the question on me of what would I ask Jack, and so I hope the sound's good on this. I didn't bring any microphones or
Oh, it
anything.
didn't sound great. Go for it. Now think
Anyways,
about
so I think the main question that needs to be answered is the first clue: where were Monterey's Halt? I think if we actually knew what that was, we could eventually figure it out.
Yes.
it. It was a starting point.
Yes.
Good.
Good. I like it.
Very nice.
So I think that's key, because Forrest always said,
That's what our.
what did Forrest always say? If you don't have warm waters halt, stay home and play canasta, I think.
Well, that's it.
All right. Anyway, stay live. Don't stay live. You're live. But the wedding's gonna be over here.
Chairs. See chairs.
We're the first ones here, and yeah, the weather's nice and cool. So, goodbye. Here comes the bride. Hey guys. On my YouTube channel, I have my drive.
Well, welcome on behalf of Mike and Kristie. I want to welcome you to this most joyous of occasions, their wedding. If you blink, you might miss it. But the fact is, really a long and beautiful chase has brought us to today. And today is just the first chapter in a new story that you two are writing together. And I want to say to the two of you, congratulations. This is fun. To Mike being by himself. See what I mean by it's a long story? It goes all the way to the beginning. Hard-hitting content, okay? It's time to make some vows. It's time to get you two hitched, okay? We're gonna exchange some vows, we're gonna exchange some rings. So would the two of you please turn and face each other? Honor him and keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live. To be my wife. I give you this ring as a symbol of my commitment to you alone, to love you, to honor you, and to cherish you. Pronounce you husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no one separate. Mike, you may kiss the bride.